Hey, let me show you the best features of OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. And first of all, we are going to start from the Hey Melody application where we can find access to most of the features. And first of all, I can highly recommend you to take a look for this one. Here we can find this sound equalizer. And we can find 1, 2, 3 default presets, but also you can create your custom one. Take a look. By using this sliders, you can set this equalizer preset to your own preferences. You can even set here your custom name if you want. And of course, you can create multiple presets. Take a look. Let's see how many. Okay, we can actually get 3 presets. And if you really like bass music, then right here we can find the bass preset, but also the bass wave that will dynamically boost bass to deliver deep bass. And it sounds really amazing. If you really enjoy bass music, you will have to try this mode for the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. By clicking here, you can also for sure adjust this and remove them if you want. Next, by going here, we can for sure find the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. And once you actually wear one of the earbuds, I'm going to show you how it works. There we go. Now we got even the noise cancellation mode. So we've got high, moderate, low, or smart. So you can simply switch between them, and you can even find the personalized noise cancellation with a short description. There's also, the game mode that will allows us to synchronize audio and the video and reduce the game lag when we are playing the games. We can also find here the dual connection, so we can connect these earbuds with 2 devices at the same time. Below, we can find the earbud fit test. It will actually allows us to test our ear canals for the best noise cancellation ear tips. So if you have too small or too big ear tips, then after this test you will get information. And you can still perform this searching with the sound signaling if you lost one of your earbud, and also we can update the firmware. I mentioned this because you can find some earbuds, like for example the Redmi Buds 6 Active, where you cannot do this. You can also connect into the application, but you cannot update software. And in these earbuds, you can also find 2 calls controls. And it looks like this. By double tap quickly on the left or the right earbud, you can simply answer or hang up the phone call. And by going back into the Hey Melody application, we can also find the earbud controls. So we can play and pause, we can change songs, we can activate the voice assistant, or we can even change the volume level of our playback. And it looks the same for the right one, so we can set it up to your own preferences. And that will be all the best features for the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. Thanks for watching.